what's in day number 3. Ooh. It is the W7 Shimmer Brick. It says bronzer. Ooh, that's really pretty. This reminds me of the Physicians Formula one that I used to have. Well, I should still have it somewhere. That's really pretty. Ooh. I cannot wait to try this. Now we're getting into the good stuff. So I'm hungry and decided to make a yogurt bowl. So I have my favorite Dannon Light and Fit vanilla yogurt, my favorite peanut butter, honey roast, creamy, and this sugar cookie granola is so good. And I chopped up a Granny Smith apple. Yeah, I am going to scarf this down. So I figured I would just show you guys what's in my purse right now. Decided to not sit on the floor because it's been killing me the last couple of times. But you guys have seen this purse before. It's one of my favorites. And I figured with the color and everything, it's just perfect to use for this time of year. My little studded green bag. I love this purse so freaking much. I can't believe I found it on Poshmark for the price that I did because it's such a good, nice purse. I don't remember now what I paid, but it was very inexpensive. So the inside has leopard print, and it's actually pretty organized right now. I recently cleaned it out and took all the junk out that I didn't need or anything. You're not gonna be able to see me pull stuff out or anything. This is just going into a Vlogmas. It's not a standalone video, so bear with me. I do have a little pack of tissues in here because with the weather changing and everything, my allergies and Alden's allergies are so bad, like I need to carry probably like 5 of these with me, honestly. And I always put my keys right on top so I can grab them and go. Actually, I'm gonna switch masks out. I just keep one in my purse because anytime I have a doctor's appointment, it's mandatory to wear a mask. And if I don't have one in my purse at all times, I will probably forget. And I'm sure the doctor's office can give me a disposable mask, but I really like my little Kitsch masks. They're so comfortable. And then I have my little packed party earbuds in here. And I still have my watch in here. I prefer to keep it in my purse, that way I always know where it is when I do feel like wearing it. I don't have to dig through my drawer to get it, and I can just grab it out of my purse and charge it and not have to worry about like just wondering where it is and all of that. And the little pill container. This is so amazing for this time of year. My Blistex that I got from Dollar Tree. Nasal spray, again, have to have this for this time of year. Hand sanitizer, you guys already know. Pack of gum, must have at all times. My sunglasses that I just love so much, that I got from glassesusa.com. Highly recommend. These are Muse. And then it also says in the eyes of the creator. And it's like a black tortoise shell. It's really hard to tell because the lighting in here is awful right now, but I love the shape of the glasses themselves, the color and like design. I'm so happy with those, because when you order glasses online and you can't physically try them on, you know, it's a risky thing to do, but I got really lucky with the pink regular glasses that I have and these, so I just highly recommend Glasses USA. I went back to the infamous wallet that everybody always asks me about. I think this specific one, like this black and gray one, is just, I have not seen it back in stock at all since I purchased it. But yeah, everybody always asks me about it. I did get it on Amazon. I cannot link this anymore because when I go to my orders and look for this wallet, it even, like, the seller is no longer there. I know there is this exact same wallet but in brown, and then the little button right here is red. It's really cute. The exact same wallet, just a different color story. I will try to find that one and link it in case you guys are interested in that one. I've linked it before, but I'm just letting you know I cannot link this black one. I will check just to see if by chance it's on Amazon again, but I don't think it is, so I don't think I'll be able to link it for you. And then my little green Ipsy bag, which actually matches perfectly with the purse, and I just love how it's like the bag is almost studded. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's just kind of like random essential stuff that I do need, stuff that I just want in case I need it, like Orajel, panty liners. I have a mirror in here. I have floss picks. I have Q-tips. I have an extra pen, eye drops, more lip balm, peppermint oil, another little perfume thing. So that's everything I keep in this bag. I actually need to go to the post office and mail these off. I was supposed to do that a couple of nights ago and forgot to go to the post office. So, oh, and then of course a pen, and that's everything in the main part of the purse. And then, so on this purse in the back, there's several different little card slots. And then on the front, there's a little zippered pocket. And in there, I have a strawberry blow pop, some more eye drops, another lip product, yet another lip product, and my little moonstones that I got from Five Below. Alden is drinking water in his cool skeleton Halloween cup. Just don't spill it. And then there's also a little zip pocket right here on the side, which I keep my Treat Beauty lip balm in, my little toasted pecan and maple hand cream in there, and then my favorite little perfume scent for easy access. But anyway, try not to shake the bed. He just keeps trying to like climb up on the bed when I tell him not to, because the tripod will just fall right over. So anyway, that's what's in my purse right now. Nothing really exciting, but I'm just in love with that freaking purse. There's so much I need to get done. I don't have the energy. Like, I need to declutter my whole closet. I don't know if I would show that. I want to declutter makeup too. That I think I will do at some point for Vlogmas. I'm going to go through my makeup and declutter it, put some aside for my cousin and stuff. And yeah, I'm going to go check on his dinner. He wanted chicken nuggets, and we're just going to go from there. So, I just woke up a little bit ago. Technically, I went to bed for the night, but I should have known I would have woken up around this time or even later. I'm really hoping Alden doesn't also wake up, because then getting him back to bed will be rough. So, I want to eat, and then I'll probably watch an episode or two of American Horror Story. I have to watch it on Hulu now, which is fine. I mean, I pay for Hulu, but there's freaking ads, which it can be helpful, like when you need a bathroom break, you don't have to pause it, you can just go during the ads, but it's still annoying, you know. Netflix was great because you could just watch it straight through, no ads or whatever. But yeah, anyway, I moved, you know who. He's awake. I guess I'm not sleeping tonight.